Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
5 folk remedies that will solve any skin problem. People all over the world are dealing with numerous different skin problems, and the following 5 natural remedies will help you treat them effectively. Since ancient times, people have been using these natural remedies for any skin problem, including bruising, acne or something more serious. The following remedies we will present you are tested and they are perfectly safe for usage and extremely effective in solving the problem, which is the most important thing. Purulent wounds. Slice 1 green tomato and then place 1/2 on the wound where you need to remove the put and secure it with plastic wrap. Allow it to act during the night and the tomato will suck the whole pus out. Fungal infections. In order to get rid of fungal infections, you should use Street John's wort tea. All you have to do is to rub the affected area with this tea several times per day. Another excellent solution is Street John's oil, which is considered as an elixir that has the ability to heat accelerator in superficial wounds and burns. Bruises. In order to heal the bruise, all you have to do is to chop fresh parsley, put it in gauze and apply it as a coating on the sore spot. This coating will reduce the pain and after a few hours, the bruise will visibly reduce. Make sure to repeat this treatment for 2-3 days for complete disappearance of the bruise. Wrinkles and skin spots. In order to get rid of both wrinkles and skin spots, just combine some honey, milk and cinnamon and apply the solution on your face. Acne and blackheads. The best natural method which will help you remove acne and blackheads from the face is garlic milk. Just crush 2-3 garlic cloves and apply them on the affected area.